So I came across this post the other day and I find that extremely funny and interesting. So apparently this guy posted a letter from Amazon where they rescinded his offer. This is a coder. He's had a coding interview and they gave him an offer, but they rescinded it because, according to the letter, it says his performance was spectacular. And soon after, I received a link to a YouTube video created by Roy in which he showed himself using an invisible cheating tool to gain an unfair and unapproved advantage during the interview process. So what is the story about? This story is about this guy from Colombia. He's a software engineer and he developed a software which allows him to cheat during technical interviews. For those of you who don't know, in technical interviews, big companies like Amazon and Meta, they tend to ask these scripted puzzle questions. We call Leetcode questions, where they really test you on your ability to solve extremely difficult problems under pressure in a certain amount of time. Most of the time, these questions have nothing to do with the day-to-day job of the candidate. But it's all started from Google because they want to feel superior, and I personally hate those questions. I personally find those questions useless. But a lot of companies now are trying to copy that model and try to ask these questions to waste the candidate's time. So what I'm feeling is this guy, Roy Lee, is fed up with it. So he apparently created a software called Interview Coder. Well, as you can see from the headline here, it's this tool, if you can see it, is it's a tool that overlays on your current screen. So when the interviewer asks you to share your screen, as you can see on the window on the right here, they cannot see the overlay. This is a very clever trick. It's an Electron app that creates this overlay, and it has certain shortcuts you can press to hide or show this thing. So when you're doing your coding interview, it will create a screenshot when the coding interview starts, and then it will ask AI like ChatGPT or Claude, and then it will give you an answer as you code your solution. So to the interviewer, they can't see anything. It will look like you are actually thinking, you are writing code. But if you're really good at this, they won't be able to tell because you can bring in some stutters like, let me think about it while you read what's on the overlay. Extremely clever, and he's selling this software. Now, I am not endorsing this software at all. He's selling this as a subscription right now, and he has a lot of proofs where he was using this actual program while he was doing an interview round with Amazon. And in the end, he actually received offers from Amazon and Meta, which those offers have already been rescinded after they found out what he does on the social media that he's actually selling the software. So, props to this guy. I'm not endorsing the cheating behavior, but I am endorsing the movement to get away from Leetcode style interview questions. I hope this software will push all the other tech companies to stop asking Leetcode questions and start asking questions that are relevant to your day-to-day. And this guy, all the powers to him. He's hustling hard, and he's working on this nice software. Now, this does not mean that you can use this software to go into an interview with no knowledge at all. You still need to know what you are actually writing because the interviewer can ask you to explain further about a particular line of code. So you will have to actually know what you are talking about. So I have a feeling that Roy here is actually already extremely smart person. He's not a dummy. So he knows what he's talking about. He knows software engineering. So he's already good at software engineering. So this tool is more of like something that can augment your ability, not something that can totally take over your ability to do an interview question. So let me know what you think. There's a couple of messages from Meta where they rescinded his offer after they found out about it. So tell me what you think about this. What do you think about tech interview questions? And will you actually use this software for your next interview? Let me know in the comments below.